Pronouns are words used to refer to a person without using their name. They've been a common part of various languages around the world for a very, very long time. In English, common pronouns are she, her, he, him, and they, them. There are also many new or neo-pronouns like sie, zer, or sie, zer. Some people use one set of pronouns, while others use multiple pronouns interchangeably, like she, they, or they, he, she. Some people put the pronoun they would like you to prioritize at the beginning, for example, they, she, and many people's pronouns may change throughout their life. Using correct pronouns is essential for respecting all individuals, especially trans and gender diverse people. When asking for pronouns, inquire with everyone, not just those who look trans or gender diverse. Avoid assuming pronouns based on appearance or clothes. Including your pronouns when introducing yourself shows support for inclusivity and helps to normalize discussing identity. For example, at the start of a class or meeting, I introduce myself by saying, "My name is Chrissy, and my pronouns are she, her." This just means if I drop my pen or knock over my water bottle, people can say, "She dropped her pen," or "Her water bottle is on the ground." If you accidentally use the wrong pronouns, apologize once, correct yourself, and move on. No need to over-apologize or dwell on the mistake. Make a note for future interactions and recognize the positive impact of using people's correct pronouns. Use such experiences as learning opportunities to promote inclusive language and pronoun use in conversations with friends, family members, and colleagues. Now you can be a pro at pronouns.